Many of you asked me to make a video regarding NEET PG 2026 strategy. Now, some of you, this will be the first NEET PG that you will be appearing. Your strategy will be different from those who are repeating. Means they have given this year NEET PG and will be giving the next year NEET PG. But before starting, let us discuss how was NEET PG 2025, because if we understand the pattern of the exam of 2025 we can predict the future trends of this exam. At first, coming to the marks weightage subject wise, in anatomy it had 9 questions, physiology 5 questions, biochemistry 15 questions, just like other years. Heavy weightage on biochemistry. Pharma 12 questions, Patho 16 questions, Micro 12 questions, FMT 7 questions, Comment 9 questions. A total of 95 questions from pre and paraclinical subjects. Medicine 18 questions, Surgery 18 questions, Gynae Ops 26 questions, Pediatrics surprisingly a bit less, that is 4 questions. सोच लो कि 6 को क्वेश्चंस पीडिया से गायनी में शिफ्ट कर दिया, यही डिफरेंस है. बाकी सारा ईयर का नीट पीजी का ट्रेंड्स अगर देखोगे, इफ यू हैव वॉच्ड माय वीडियोस, this is the same marks weightage as that of previous years. It is the same. NEET PG marks weightage remains the same. Only pediatrics and gynae में exchange देखने को मिला. बाकी सब सब्जेक्ट्स का सेम ही है. जैसे आई का देखो 6, ENT 6, ऑर्थो 5, एनेस्थीसिया लो वेटेज 4, साइकियाट्री 5, रेडियो 8 and derma 6. Now, if I have to compare the marks weightage of NEET PG versus the INICET May 2025, then pre and paraclinical in NEET PG is 47.5%, majors 33%, minor 19.5%. In case of INICT, pre and para constitute 50%, majors 31%. मतलब मेजर से 3% लेके प्री एंड पैराक्लिनिकल में INICT देती है. So this is the difference, that 2% questions from the major subjects they are giving in the pre and paraclinical subjects. Nothing more difference. Okay. In the question pattern, there is a lot of difference, and topic repeats or the question repeats, there is a lot of difference. I have a dedicated video on that. You can check that out. And this PDF, if you are wanting, you can take a screenshot when I am shooting the video, or else you will get the PDF in my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box below. Now, another snapshot of NEET PG 2025. So, NEET PG 2025 was a ditto copy paste similar pattern of NEET PG 2023, the year NEET PG I gave. NEET PG 2024 morning half was also similar, but the evening half was a bouncer. सो उस बाउंसर को देख के लोग समझ रहे थे कि इस साल और भी शायद ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होगा, बट मैंने तुमको पेपर एनालिसिस करके दिखाया था कि इतना वेटेज ही रहेगा एंड प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक से ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चंस आएंगी एंड आए भी है. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. स्टैंडर्ड, it is moderate standard with twist. The twist were in the questions. Okay, questions में बहुत सारा twist था जो तुमको पकड़ना है. Few questions are very long stem, only few, not many. Only single or double layer questions were given, not triple layer questions like the marrow GTs. They ask triple layer questions. What is single layer? Directly you have given, they have given you the case scenario and you have to diagnose. डबल लेयर क्वेश्चन जैसे कि एक गो फोटो दिखाया था लूपस वल्गैरिस का, नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन. 111 क्वेश्चंस of NEET PG 2025 were directly repeated from NEET PG previous year topics. They have gone into the depth, but 111 questions were directly from NEET PG previous year topics, which is a high strike rate, I will say, for NEET PG. So if you want to have my NEET PG PYT list from which 111 questions came in NEET PG 2025, then the link is given in the description box below and the pinned comment section. You can check it. Another important thing, that 13 questions directly came from FMG 2025. That is direct repeat, 13 questions. Topic repeats, there were 40% of the question, that is 80 to 90 questions were directly from the topics of FMG 2025 from the single year paper. Why it is so much repeats? Because the exam taking authority is the same, that is NBE, and the examiners who are setting the question paper were also the same, because इस टाइम में FMG और नीट पीजी 7 दिन बाद बाद ही था, तो एग्जामिनर्स भी मोस्ट लाइकली सेम ही थे, इसीलिए इतना टॉपिक रिपीट्स हुआ था. 20% of the questions were image based, unlike the 2025 paper where 40 to 50% of the questions were only image based. 90% of the non-classical images I had explained in a dedicated video what are non-classical images. So these are the images of the clinical photos the examiner are having and they are uploading that. So non-classical images, you have to approach the question by the question stem, make the diagnosis, and the image will only aid in the diagnosis, but the main diagnosis you will have to do remembering your classical image and the question stem. A secret yet authentic information is that the question paper is set by Delhi colleges. Even AIMS Delhi is also included. But when I tried to check the university papers of Delhi colleges, then I found no similarity. कि मतलब जो यूनिवर्सिटी क्वेश्चंस में कॉमन क्वेश्चंस देते हैं वही क्या नीट पीजी में रिपीट होता है, ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज देयर यूनिवर्सिटी क्वेश्चंस इज वेरी सिंपल. Like what is the treatment of malaria, what is the treatment of drug resistance TB. So Delhi university questions are pretty simple, I have seen that. So वहाँ से कॉमन आने का चांसेस नहीं है. Now, those who are repeating, for them, you should watch my INICT strategy video that will be given in the end screen. And for those who are giving this year NEET PG the first attempt, I'm going to tell you the best sources, and this video is not sponsored by anyone. So, I am going to tell you the raw truth. Video or notes, any source you are following, follow that. Main notes, if you are going to keep it for revision, then you have to trim it down by seeing the previous year topics, or else in revision notes you have to bulk up by annotating the previous year topics like I have annotated and highlighted in this image bank. If you have not started preparing from any of the platforms and you ask my opinion how to proceed this internship year, then my opinion will be do any of the Marrow or Prep Ladder rapid revision. Prep Ladder rapid revision is a bit crisp, Marrow revision is a bit of extensive. If you are doing Marrow revision, then at least follow the notes of Preeti ma'am for micro, patho, medicine, Marwa sir, and pediatrics of Meenakshi Bothra ma'am. These four subjects, at least two from Prep Ladder. These are the gold standard notes. And with that, combine BTR. Now, if you think that offline BTR, then it is not that much helpful because 4 दिन में उतना extensive पढ़ाई नहीं हो सकता है. So BTR में BTR वर्कबुक 1 2, उसके साथ END, सारा इंटीग्रेटेड मॉड्यूल्स, हैरिसन, बेली लव, these all modules you have to include, and the mega BTR, extra age BTR, this you all have to include. Then only BTR will be a complete source, and with only BTR you can get up to 10K to 5K rank. बट उससे अगर बेहतर चाहिए तुमको, उससे भी बेहतर रैंक चाहिए, then BTR is not enough. You will have to include rapid revision notes of either Marrow or Prep Ladder. So this is the best source, rapid revision plus BTR. And never skip medicine. This one important advice I want to give you. Like many influencers tell that medicine is what? Medicine is amalgamation of pathology, physiology, and all. So if you study them, no need to study medicine. This is not true. There are many extra topics in CVS, GIT, renal, scorings, and all which are important for medicine. And medicine में जैसा देखा तुमने 18 questions come. So never skip medicine. At least do the medicine rapid revision from Deepak Marwa sir and all. So you are going to give an MCQ based exam. So you will have to have a strong hold on MCQs. So तुम्हारा daily target होगा at least do 50 MCQs daily. क्यू बैंक, जो लोग टॉप 100 में रैंक करना चाहते हैं उन लोगों के लिए एक ईयर में क्यू बैंक यू कैन सॉल्व. बट फॉर रेस्ट ऑल, डोंट गो आफ्टर क्यू बैंक. Do the PYQ modules of either Marrow or Prep Ladder. Prep Ladder में एक गो advantage है, there is audio explanation. So if you are doing any internship duty and all, you can listen to that. What you have to do is 8 years of नीट पीजी, 8 years of INICT, क्योंकि इसके पहले और नहीं जाता है कोई, ठीक है, कोई एग्जाम सेटर 8 years से पहले का क्वेश्चंस नहीं देखता है. And 3 years of FMG, as I had stressed upon that from FMG so many questions came common. So 3 years of FMG is also important. After you solve the difficult questions you are getting, you will have to bookmark them right there and now. After that, what you will do, funnel the bookmark. अभी भी तुम्हारे पास 8 से 9 महीना हाथ में है. So first time if you bookmark 800 MCQs, after 2 months you revisit them and you get to know that these all bookmarks are not required because I have got information regarding them. So you scrap them down to 400. After 2 months again, you see that you know more 200 bookmark questions, or by reviewing it thrice, you have remembered the concept. Then you do 200 bookmarks. After that, those 200 bookmarks, last 10 days before exam, you scrap it down to 50. Like this, you will have to do the funneling. And you can join my WhatsApp channel for daily custom modules, which is made by Marrow official group. I will be providing you the custom module ID in my WhatsApp channel, so join my WhatsApp channel. The link is given in the description box below. Next important pillar of preparation is the grand test. Since you are going to appear for a 200 marks exam, you will have to practice giving 200 marks exam. For grand test, best is the Marrow GT because there is maximum number of test takers and the rank is authentic. But the problem is that Marrow does not simulate the main NEET PG exam. It is way more difficult and it has three layered questions, all except questions which usually don't come in the NEET PG, as I have shown in the first half. So monthly at first, two GTs you should give during first revision phase. In the next, when you are in the peak phase in second or third revision, then you will give 3 to 4 GTs. You have to increase the frequency of giving the GTs. And in the last 10 days, you shouldn't give any GT at all. Reviewing the GT is the most important thing. At first, you see the incorrect. After that, you see the missed questions. You have escaped the questions. After that, the guessed correct ones. And in the end, the correct ones. What you should focus is the bottom four subjects of your GT. Before the next GT, read those bottom four subjects, then automatically those bottom four subjects will be strengthened. Next cycle में और bottom में 4 subjects मिलेंगी. Focus on them, read them, then again new 4 subjects. Like this, you will revise all your weak subjects. Another thing you can have, and many people are having, if you have time, then GT copy you can make with the new informations you are getting in every grand test. You are going to annotate them in your GT copy and you are going to revise before the next GT. This massively improves your rank in the GT. Another important thing that I tell is the Marrow bias, because all of you are giving GTs from Marrow only. But अगर खाली Marrow से दोगे तो you are going to get more number of corrects, because Marrow में images and all तो same ही रहता है, and you get to know the pattern of the exam and the exam setter also. So you tend to get better results which do not reflect your actual performance. So इसके लिए 3 से 4 GT at least give in other platforms. फ्री में मिल जाती हैं. Prep ladder mock you can give, doc tutorials mock you can give. These two are good platforms for GT. And another thing is computer based exam. Only DAMS is conducting in a large scale, so always give a CBT exam because it gives you real life exam hall experience. तुम बैठे रहोगे, पास में और 200 लोग बैठे रहेंगे. उस टाइम का जो एंजाइटी है, दैट यू कांट रेप्लिकेट सिटिंग इनसाइड योर ओन कंफर्ट जोन इन योर ओन रूम ऑन योर ओन स्टडी टेबल. You have to test your performance in the exam hall, because मेन एग्जाम तो एग्जाम हॉल में ही दोगे. सो अगर कुछ एग्जाम है जो सिमुलेट करता है मेन एग्जाम, देन यू मस्ट गिव इट. सो फॉर दैट यू मस्ट गिव द डैम CBT. Number fourth, the thing that you should have is an image bank. For image bank, you can do BTR. It has a lot of images and you can combine it with my image bank that is given in the description box below. I have tried to incorporate more and more non-classical images. The last point is 28th notebook. What you have to write in 28th notebook, not the GT wrongs or anything else, but the volatile previous year topics. And this is your own personalized list, so don't go after buying 20th notebook. Schedule, if I have to say, then according to me, NEET PG is not going to happen before May 2026. So from September to January, 4 months, you are going to do your first revision. Next 2 months, you make your revision time to the half in next 2 months, and you do the second revision up to March. From March to April, again you make it into half. You do the third revision. Next revision every 20 days you do, and in the finally, when last 10 days will be left, I will reveal the last 10 day strategy also. So I think this is up for today, and now it's the time for you to start your journey. I will be there with you in your journey, and in this channel you are going to get the most authentic informations, analysis and previous year topics. So all the best for your NEET PG.